PB&J, for anyone who's wondering, is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, which consists of peanut butter and fruit preserves. This can be jelly or jam, spread on bread. The sandwich may be open-faced or made with a single slice of bread folded over. The sandwich is quite common and popular in North America, especially for children. A survey showed that the average American will have eaten 1,500 of these sandwiches before graduating from high school. So in this video, we have a special twist on the classic PB&J. Give it a try, and also there's a challenge involved.